Hello, so I'm back. It's been rather busy recently, so life updates. I went into service in the restroom, which is fantastic. I think I mentioned that in my last video. It has left me with much more flexible hours and a lot more talking, hence the sore throat. But I'm doing well, I'm doing great. It was a really intensive week that left me exhausted. So when I finally stopped, I was just like, do you know what, I need self-care. I need some time to myself. I have a car for 2 weeks. It's wonderful having some freedom and not having to rely on buses or public transport. I haven't relied on public transport in a long time and I miss having a car and a sing-along. I've also had a couple of friends from my cruise ship days that have been vacationing in Florida. So I spent my 2 days off pretty much with my friend Chad. So we didn't vlog because we haven't seen each other in so long and we just wanted to catch up and have fun with each other's company and have a good time. So we got up early, we done Rise of the Resistance. If you haven't seen my vlog, I'll link it up here for you guys to watch. I went opening day and it was amazing and it's never any less exciting anymore. So we done that. We went to Olga's Cantina. I took him to Target because he has a buying problem and he did another suitcase. Sorry, Chad. We had a really good day and it has been a great week and I really needed those days off and I'm ready to start vlogging again. It's probably not going to kick into full force for a couple of weeks yet, just as I get back on my feet and then my hours regulate a bit better and I find out how or what is the best times to go and film something. I have some vlogger friends that have asked me if I'll go to Mardi Gras, do some vlogs for them, so I'm really excited and interested in doing that, but it might not be for another couple of weeks just because of how my schedule's working, and just friends and people that are out visiting me that I want to spend time with. So yeah, cool. Now we've got that wrapped up, I am here today back at Hollywood Studios and I work this evening. But I am back at Hollywood Studios because my friend Chad is making a lightsaber with the Lightsaber experience at Savi's. I know it's something that a lot of vloggers have already covered. There's a lot of videos on this on YouTube, a lot of vlogs, a lot of blogs, a lot of just information in general, but you know, I wanted to do it from my experience. This, as well as being a vlog, is kind of like a scrapbook for me of my year, my life, times to look back on, and I want to document it. So today we're going to document going to see the lightsaber experience. We're going to go build a lightsaber. I think it's the Protect, the gold and silver one. I forget what it's called, but we'll find out when we get in there. So we have a reservation at 11 o'clock. We're gonna go in and do that, probably maybe grab some lunch around Hollywood Studios, and then I'm gonna go to work. So I will see you guys in the park.
Our lieutenant's been hoping to meet you, resistance spy.
Yeah,
We'll make some introductions. Move.
This one's protection and defense, I believe. And then the dark side one, but I can't remember what it's called. Chad made this one yesterday, which is the elemental nature one, which is really quite cute. I like all the carvings on it. Today we're doing protection and defense, which is this one here, which I think if I was going to make one is the one I'd make. I quite like these pieces. Let's see what it looks like when it comes together. Okay, Chad's paid for his lightsaber, so we've got a credential here and we're waiting against the wall just for our green grip to be called. Okay, before we go inside as well, they give you a pin, so there's 4 different pins that come with each of the different lightsabers, and this is our one for protection and defense. Yes.
Welcome to the workshop. I know it seems a little, well, a lot, but to us this is everything. I see you've all met the gatherers, very good. You may call me Kembe. Now, to some of you this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me assure you, Some of it is new junk. Let me explain. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics, abandoned places, forgotten outposts, and battle-ravaged planets. What we find, we bring here, to the workshop. So, where a stormtrooper may see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure our future. You've heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes?
Yes.
Very good. Well now, we hear there is another, a new Jedi. Do you know her name? Rey, yes. And what she is leading is the spark of hope that we have been searching for so long, and that's why you're here. To look ahead and to build this, a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It's elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection on its builder with the force flowing between them. Today you will feel that connection. But enough talking. Let's begin. We begin with perhaps the most important part of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. The blue crystal, like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. And red. The color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past, and we are here for you, our future. It's now time to select your kyber crystal. Everyone, close your eyes to me. Close your eyes. In your mind, picture your crystal. What color do you see? What color calls to you? What color is yours? Now, open your eyes. Take your crystal, and remember, the crystal may be choosing you. We'll now pair your crystal with the unique lightsaber design that you've chosen. We'll begin by building the hilt, the foundation of your lightsaber, your center of control. Very good. Now in the boxes you'll find the chassis, activation points, grips, pommel cap, and emitter. Building a lightsaber is a journey. Just as you selected your kyber crystal, so too you will now select the individual parts that make up your own unique saber. The Gatherers are here to help you should you require assistance. Well, are we ready? Yes. Very good. Let's build.
Welcome travelers, I'll be assisting you in the stones today. First, start with your chassis. Make sure those lines like that are facing upwards as you hold it. Then go ahead and take your kyber crystals. There's a pointy end at the top of the crystal. You want to go ahead and insert that end into your chassis first, followed by the bottom. It's going to snap into the center of your chassis like this and glow the color of your crystal. You want to make sure it's nice and centered in the middle. Excellent. Next, excellent work. Next, choose one of these.
I like this one.
I'm going to do one final check on yourself for yourself.
Are you about to say something?
The markings on the side. Is that a language?
Yes, it's definitely a language. Which one? Not sure. It's older than anything we have record of. It's not Arabesh. It is from the origins of the Force, so maybe a language that only the ancients knew of. If I were to wager, I'd put it in the realm of ancient Jedi. That might be a place to start on your research. Very good. Very nice. Good. Very good. You've all completed your hilts and nothing unexpected or traumatic happened, because why would it? Which brings us now to the most dangerous part of the process. I'll ask you all to take a step back. Gatherers, we'll now begin to stabilize your crystals for activation. This must be done with great care, skill, and timing as a single inverted emitter or cracked kyber crystal, and, well, we could have yet another hole in the roof of this workshop. Seem a little nervous over here. Yeah? Yeah. I would be. You stood in front of a box of thermal detonators, so that's a good reason right there. Fantastic. Every lightsaber is created in its own unique way by you through the guidance of the Force. Now then, builders, as we move forward into the next stage, what I'll ask is that what's happening?
Well done. Chosen the part with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined, they are much more they will become. For you, it is done.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, on my signal, everyone will take a step forward. Place that hand on their hilt, and together, on my command, you will activate for the first time. Are you ready?
Yes.
Then step forward. Place your hand on your hilt and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. Hold them high. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi, the Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy, remember. It only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate and lower your lightsabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, it can. Choose your path. Only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. That remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. To protect your new lightsaber, we're pleased to present you with a saber sheath as you depart. Our time is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. It's now time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you have created. And who knows, perhaps next time, we may be telling your story. Till the spire. Till the spire.
Thank you. Are you happy with your lightsaber?
You did such a good job.
Chad built a lightsaber. I'm gonna steal it. I think it like fits me better than it fits you. Like, yeah. I've got the stance. It was a great experience we had, though. I can't wait to build one myself eventually. I had such a good time. Chad flew I'm gonna get a mysterious purple one. That's more my kind of style. But yeah, thank you so very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to high five the little like button, hit subscribe down below for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, may the force be with you.
Thanks for the tip, Jedi. Watch of that curiosity. I want to know why. Yes, sir. We will be watching.